Webmail is a tool that allows you to send and read emails directly from any computer or mobile device connected to the internet. Webmail is ideal when you need to check emails while traveling or using another device that you do not have your email account set up on. Roundcube is a popular webmail application that is available to access your emails. The interface looks modern and it's also very easy to use. The software is actively being developed with new features and security updates. To begin with, open your web browser and go to the URL of your domain, e.g. webmail.demoaccount.co.uk. Log in with your email address and password. You will now be faced with two options to access your emails. Select Roundcube. Now you can view your emails in Roundcube. To create an email signature, go to Settings, then click on Identities, then click on your email address. Add in your signature and press Save. To access your home page, click on Webmail Home. Here you can manage your inbox by creating autoresponders, email filters, and forwarders. In your Roundcube webmail, you have access to a basic calendar application that allows you to create and manage events and tasks. To access this, click on the calendar on the menu, which will bring up your calendar. By clicking the Create button, you can add in a new event. Once you put your details in, click Save and your new event will appear in your calendar. You can edit your event at any time by clicking on it in the calendar, and you can add in as many events as you need.